Assalamualaikum. Welcome to class Montessori reception. I am your maths teacher. This is your maths book. Genius 1, 2, 3 counting. We can trace number with two fingers. Count, read and learn. 1. 1. How many apples are here? One apple. Only one apple is here. One apple. 2. 2. How many umbrellas are here? 1, 2. 1, 2. Two umbrellas are here. Two umbrellas. 3. 3. How many fishes are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 fishes are here. 3 fishes. You have done good practice of pencil holding from our last video. This is your new activity number book step 1. Open page number 5. Open page number 5. Now I am show you basic lines. Put your pencil on the first dot like this and bring it down in standing lines. Join all the dots. Page number 6, we also draw a standing line. Put your pencil on the first dot like this. And bring it down in standing lines, joining all the dots like this. Complete the page number 5 and 6 in the same way. Complete your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.